arrive in style with this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power programmable door locks, dual-zone manual climate control system, power windows with driver express down, steering wheel mounted audio controls, power 6-way driver seat, tachometer, illuminated entry system, and auxiliary audio input jack. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.